My name is Mi'quel Blackshear, and I'm enrolled in the Pipefitting and sprinkler program. When the pandemic hit, and I had my daughter, it's right when the pandemic hit, so I ended up being out of work. But when I ended up being out of work, I tried to get unemployment, and I didn't really have a source of income coming in. So I'm like, yo, I felt down on myself that I had a little girl and I didn't have no source of income coming in. So that made me want to further my education to have a trade that I can always have a job, like, and nobody can ever shut it down. PTTI specifically, I looked it up and it was very close to my house, my living situation. I was super close, and I checked the reviews and it was a very nice school, and they were just saying how hands-on it was, and like you're gonna learn from the books, but most of the time it's gonna be 80% hands-on. This is a program that I really needed, hands-on. I wanted to be a welder, but then once I learned that I can also pipe fit and learn welding with pipe fitting and intersect them both and get two trades in one, I learned I can get most out of pipe fitting. I enjoy working with the torch cutting machine the most. The torch cutting gun, I love torch cutting.
Wow.
Because I don't know, it just, I won't say it's the easiest to work with, but you can see what you're working with, and like it's almost like welding. You gotta use the same speed and same distance from whatever you're cutting with. But the torch gun is an oxygen and acetylene torch cutting, and you mix oxygen with acetylene, and it gives you a high pitch of fire, and it just shoots out straight fire, and it cuts whatever you're trying to cut, cuts right through it. It been pretty good. I'll say even great. I feel like I entrusted a lot of the instructors, and I've been learning from them and learning from their experiences on other job sites that they had previously. And I've just been adding it to my education, and so I can further my career when I go out to work. It's just like I want to try to just give back like any way I could to like the people a little younger than me, 12, 13 years old, trying to find their path. Just trying to give back to them and show them that like the streets not the only way you can go, because that's what I see on the internet, that most of these guys like portraying that the streets is the way to go, only way to go, when it's not. I like to think Mi'quel Sheldrick, my instructor, he was a very big help with me graduating and how far I got with me becoming a teacher assistant and learning from what he'd been through in his career, and just building off that. Like PTI, just like I'll say, is like just a second chance. It's just a second chance if you feel like you didn't make it as far as you wanted to in life, or you want to be somewhere else. You can get there within 6 to 8 months at PTI by getting the education and getting a better job. Put in that time, put in the effort, and you're gonna get it at the end of the day.